Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to save GarageBand as an MP3 file. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not already have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with finding the instruments you want to play, you can get started recording yourself, and so on. So guys, let's say you have made your track and your song complete and now you want to save it and export it as an MP3 file so that you can use it later on your iPhone. This is how to do it. So guys, go ahead and open up your track. You can open it up in any of the instruments or wherever you want. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new recording menu that you're probably familiar with. And now once we are satisfied with our track and we have mixed it up like we want, we're going to go ahead and open up right here the edit mode in the upper left corner where we can see our track with all of our instruments, as you can see, and now we can get started with exporting it. So guys, all we need to do to be able to save it as an MP3 file is go right here into the upper left corner. In the upper left corner, you will see this arrow pointing downwards. As you can see, it's going to give you this option. Once you click on it, that says My Songs. You want to click on My Songs, and as you can see, this is now going to open up your folder where you can see all your save files, and here is our My Song save file. Once we hold on that file, you want to tap on it, hold on it, and it's going to open up this new menu right here, and one of the options is going to be called Share. So guys, go ahead and click on Share, and once you have clicked on Share, as you can see, you can now go ahead and save it as a song. So you want to click the song option right here, and by clicking song, it's going to enable you to save this song on your iPhone as an MP3 file, and then you'll be able to use it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.